Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Temu app verification puzzle problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to go through these fixes, with the most common being at the start here. So what we first need to do is restart the Temu apps. Open up your apps, go ahead and swipe up on an Android to restart the Temu app, remove it from your recent apps, and then go ahead and reopen it and try the puzzle again. Now, fix number 2 is to check your internet connection. So the puzzle needs a stable internet connection to work. So try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data, or vice versa. And also go ahead and turn airplane mode on and off for 10 seconds and then turn it off. Now, if you're running any VPNs or proxies in the background, so VPN apps like NordVPN, 1.1.1.1, etc., ad blockers, private DNS, turn them off or disable them, then reopen Temu and try again. So what Temu does, they often block puzzles when VPNs are detected. Now, fix number 4 is to clear the app cache and data. So to do this, click and hold down Temu, click onto IF app info, scroll down, look for storage, click on clear cache and click on clear data. Clear data is going to delete all permanent settings, so all applications data will be deleted permanently. This includes all file settings, accounts, databases, so you will need to relog back in. Now, fix number 5 is to go to your Play Store, and then what we need to do is do a search for Temu. And now make sure Temu is up to date, so go ahead and update your Temu app. Now, we can try a different device, so if you got your friend's device or whatever, you can try logging in there and seeing if you get the puzzle as well. Now, if it still doesn't work, we need to go ahead and contact Temu support. So we can do that via opening the app or going to their website, finding their support form, and then just basically say, hello, I'm having trouble completing the verification puzzle in Temu. The puzzle does not load properly or fails even when solved correctly. I've tried restarting the app, clearing cache, etc., etc. Please help me fix this. Thank you.